Hey friends, Miss Katie here. I have talked to y'all about making sourdough bread. Do you want to learn how to make sourdough bread? Or are you feeling too overwhelmed, but you know you want the healthy benefits from it, and you do want to pay attention to the ingredients that are in your food? I mean, you know, you can go to the fun, quite frankly, not trouble. You can go to the fun of making your own sourdough, but then you've got the discard. I have an answer to your problem. The folks at Wildgrain got a hold of the fact that I love good quality ingredients, local, small town, hometown businesses, good tasting food, and bread. Handcrafted, high quality ingredients, supporting local bakers, pastry makers. You get the box of Wildgrain products. When you get yours, you're going to find that it is wrapped very well. This box, we have sourdough bread. It's just sourdough starter, organic whole wheat flour, water, wheat flour, and sea salt. You can't go wrong. You don't want to make your own. You don't have time, but you still want flavor and high quality. There it is, sourdough bread. Rosemary garlic sourdough bread. Oh, how did they know? Rosemary is my favorite, no joke. It's my favorite herb. Croissants. I'm going to tell you how you can get free croissants here in a minute. Slow fermented cranberry pecan bread. Okay, oh my word, this looks cranberry pecan bread. I mean, I could just toast this and eat it with butter, but you could also make a bread pudding with this. Okay, pasta too. Handcrafted pasta. Oh, wait. Pumpkin cinnamon rolls. Tonarelli. I have never heard of that term, tonarelli. So that'll be how I use that as spaghetti. And fettuccine. I suspect some fettuccine Alfredo is in our future. Love croissants so much. Do y'all like them as much as I do? I mean, if I go to a store that's got a sandwich with croissant, I always get that one. And then sourdough. When you can't, and you can put these in the freezer and pull them out when you need to. So when you can't make your own, or if you don't want to make your own, I have an answer for you. I have a code that you can use, but it's only good for the first 50 folks who are going to order from Wildgrain, and it is $10 off and free croissants. The offer may be something other than croissants, but you get a free product in every box when you use my code. We're going to bake them up, and we are going to see how much we do or don't enjoy these products. Thanks, Wildgrain, for partnering with Heritage Ways, because you know that we appreciate high quality, good heritage foods. Oh my gosh. That is so good. Really.
Yes, it is.
But I love pumpkin stuff. I eat these every day.
I think I could too. Every breakfast.
Y'all try this out and see what you think. There's a discount code in the description box below this video. It's going to give you $10 off your first box, and it's going to give you a free product in every box. So y'all just check it out. Let me know what you think.